Hello everyone, hi, I'm Sakib, and today I'm gonna talk about my prototype. And
And I am Zahid. I am going to evaluate his task.
so first, when I'm going to open my homepage on my app, so this is the first page. So when the app is going to start, we can see the get start button. You just need to click on the get start button, then it's gonna pop up the new window. So on the window, we can see that they have two options. Either you can log in if you have an existing account. You're going to log in straight. Just put your email address and password and hit the login button. If you don't have any account, then they have an option to register. Once you click the register button, so the register is going to start. On the register page, you need to just fill up your name, email address, date of birth, your current address, and your own password, and hit the register button. Once you registered in our app, then the new page gonna pop up after that. So on this page, you can see they have in the middle they have a very big button. You can add your pet up here. Just click the button, then the new page gonna pop up. But before that, I'm gonna tell you the navigation. You can see the three dot on the top. So on here, the navigation button. I can see. I just add some what pets you have available at the moment. If you hit the pets, then if you want to book an appointment with a doctor or in a medical center, just hit the appointment button. Then if you have two pets, then you can add your second pet. Just hit the next add a pet button. Then if you have any support, like if you need any support, like any kind of medical issues, you can hit the support button and just submit all the detail. And then next, you just have a settings button. Just customize your settings if you want. This is the profile of the pet owner profile, like your profile. If you want to customize your profile, if your detail is not correct, if you think you need to change your detail, like name, you spell it wrong or write it wrong, in that case, just hit the profile and change it. The about is about our page, what is our page and how it's going to work. So now let's jump on the add button. When you click on the add button, we come straight up here on this one. So on this one, you're going to register your pet. So you just set the pet name first, then pet weight, then which breed your pet is, then you add the date of birth, you also add the gender, male or female, then the color. And on top, on the circle, you can see you can add the picture of your pet if you like. On the time also, you can, if you want, you can add it later as well. So next, we are jumping on the appointment button, which one I show you on the navigation bar. So once you click on the appointment button, the appointment is gonna pop up. They have two sections. One is book vaccination. If any vaccination is due, the vaccination is gonna pop up. And second, the parasite prevention. Once you click the parasite prevention, the parasite page gonna start. You just select the type, your pet name, which one you already registered before, then the fulfillment, then which product you're looking for, and submit the heading button. Once you submit the head button, it's gonna automatically generate a ticket on the system, and the system gonna operate later on. Then later on, once you're on the navigation bar, I already showed the support button. Once you click the support button, you just write down what is the issues with your pet, what is the symptom you are like at the moment you are seeing. Then you can see the occurrence, like the duration of the symptom. Then later on, you're just gonna submit the hit button. Once you submit the hit button, I forgot to add this one up here, but once you hit the submit button, it's gonna they have two options. One is either email or either phone number. So if you can contact with them by email, or otherwise you can contact with your local support team by hitting the phone number. Then the last one I show on the nav bar as well, which is the about page. On the about page, I'm just gonna write down the detail of this app, and the last one is the location, which is operated by Google Map. Once they have a link, is gonna display on the location, under the location. Once you click on the link, it's gonna take you to the Google Map and show our current location. That's it.
It's a very helpful, useful, and pretty good app. It's very good, but I have some doubt. Here you are taking the login page and register page. First of all, this registration page should be, the app registration should be done on the owner or for the pet.
So this registration page for the owner. First, the owner need to register on this app. Then later on, they can add their pet on the page.
Okay.
Yes.
So how you will display the pet number in your app? If I have 2 or 3 pet and of different species, like I have 2 dogs, 1 cat, and another like anything else. So how you will manage in your app that these things?
Alright, this is a very good question. So as you can see that they have a button which is written down add pet, and also on top you can see the search button.
Yeah.
So if you have too many pets, then they have a list gonna pop up on the, like one by one based on the alphabet. That's how the app gonna, like, I'm going to make the app. So you can see your pet list up here one by one. If you can't find your pet, you just hit the search button and you can find your, like, which pet you're looking for.
Okay. So for each pet, for each of my 1 pet, there will be 1 different pages.
All the pet list gonna pop up here.
Yeah.
But once you can see on the navbar, if you want to see each pet detail, just go to the pets and choose your pet, and then you can see your pet detail. Also on the list, if you choose your pet, by this also it's going to take you to the next page where you can see your pet detail. And if you want, you can later on you can modify your pet detail. Yes.
Okay, that's good. And rest of the things, I think those are okay. I have one more question. If I face an emergency situation, like my pet falls sick and it's getting emergency, so how will I contact you? You are saying you have support and you said phone number and email. So is there any option to get 24/7 support from any professional pet doctor or veterinary doctor like this?
So for this one, what can I suggest? You need to book an appointment for regular support. But if you need any emergency support, in that case, you need to jump on the support team, on the support page, hit all the detail and hit the phone number. By calling them, the phone number is open 24 hours because it's operated by the medical center. So by using this phone number, you can get the emergency support.
Okay, that's good. And what about your location? You said here you will take us to Google Map. So it will show which location. It's your support center location or the nearest medical or nearest veterinary center.
Right, it's a very good question. I didn't think about it before. But for about this page, I'm gonna put our support team location. But the good part is that now I think on the appointment page, when you're going to book for a vaccine, then after you place your vaccination order submitted, it's gonna show you which location you need to go or you need to take your pet for vaccination. So I need to add another page in that case.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's very good and very useful for the pet owner who loves pet. I also love pet. So if this app is developed, I will use it also.
All right, thank you.